The interactive water licensing portal allows quick access to information relating to water management and licensing in the NT. It has primarily been designed as an analytical tool to help locate license data and not as a standalone mapping application. Consequently, the mapping interface is slower than using the text for navigation. The map provides a geographical representation of water control districts and water allocation plans across the NT. As the legend shows, control districts are represented by the yellow lines on the map, while currently declared allocation plans are shaded in blue, and areas still in progress are shaded orange. To the right is a panel containing links to background information on water licensing and management principles. Clicking the text opens a new web page presenting the associated knowledge. The panel also shows total licenses granted and number of pending licenses for a given region. The panel updates as selections are made on the map. Map navigation is accomplished by using the tools to the left. The pan tool is selected by default, and it's used to move across the map. The plus symbol zooms in on the map view stepwise, while the zoom area tool is used to specify an area to magnify. The management boundaries and plan areas become clearer as you zoom in. To zoom out stepwise, use the minus symbol. To go back to the initial zoom level, use the house symbol. Ensuring the pan tool is selected, hover over a plan area and a brief overview is displayed, including the plan area's name and associated water volume information. Clicking on a shaded plan area updates the information panel with details specific to that area, such as announced allocations and other relevant documentation. The pie chart to the left represents the resource as a whole, or the amount of water available. The non-consumptive pool is reserved for cultural and environmental reasons, while the consumptive pool is held for beneficial uses, as is further broken down in the chart to the right. Selecting the plan area has also updated the license data at the top of the information panel. To target specific license data, open the Interactive License Register portal. The licensing portal can be navigated using the table or the map. These interfaces are linked, therefore selecting items in one will update the other. The table is the quicker method to find license information, and the drop-down box allows you to filter the table below by one or more water allocation plan areas. Both the table and the map update to show the filter results. On the map you can see the management zone boundaries as well as the cadastre. You can use the reset button at any time to restore the default values. The orange symbols represent pending license decisions, while the green symbols represent granted licenses. You may also use the table to browse licenses. Filtering can be achieved by selecting any item. You can start anywhere. For the purpose of this demonstration, we begin the process by selecting a control district. Notice that as the map drills down, the border of each plan or management zone area is shown. The control districts are also outlined. Select a water allocation plan from the table. The map will zoom in accordingly. Both the table and the map show the highlighted licenses. You can also see the border to the plan area. To see land parcels, use the zoom area tool to magnify the map. The cadastre is represented by grey lines. For greater control of license selection, use the available tools on the map. The rectangle tool allows you to draw a rectangle with your mouse and selects all licenses within inside that boundary. As you select, both the map and the table are updated to show only those licenses. The circle tool does likewise, but within the radius of the circle. The lasso tool is an advanced tool that allows you to draw your own border to select the licenses that you want. Hovering over either the green tick or the dot presents a summary of the license, providing information such as applicant name, license number, and the allocated entitlement in megaliters per year. Clicking the license displays the option to bring up all available documents. This allows you to download the document containing the file note and the notice of intent, notice of decision, and statement of decision if available. To begin searching for information, either reset this map or head back over to the water licensing portal where we began this tutorial.